Good morning, children. This is Cynthia. I would like to share few interesting facts which I have read from this book, Amazing True Facts. Come, let us watch. Muscles make up over 40% of your body's entire weight. If all the muscles in your body pulled together, they could lift a bus. Longest muscle is your inner thigh. Strongest muscle is your tongue. Over half the dust in your home is dead skin cells. Every month, your outer layer of skin is completely renewed. Each year, you lose almost 2 pounds of skin. Dandruff is also made of dead skin from your scalp. All your blood travels right around your body once every 20 seconds. In one day, your blood travels 12,000 miles. That's halfway around the world. An ostrich egg's shell is 6 times thicker than that of a chicken's egg. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. A lyrebird can imitate 12 other birds. It can also mimic like a photographer's camera, a car engine, or a car alarm. The largest flying bird is albatross, which flies the ocean around the Antarctic. Its wings stretch out over 10 feet. Elephants have bigger brains than any animal other than a whale. Elephants cannot jump. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Its heart weighs around 1,540 pounds. That is equal to 10 adult humans. The ocean glowing at night. Scientists suspect the causes giant colonies of luminous bacteria, which sometimes light up waves. The Sea of Stars is a beautiful phenomenon that occurs during late summer in the reef of Maldives, caused by bioluminescent phytoplankton. Due to this, the movement of the waves causes it to glow. That looks like the sea is full of stars. The biggest clouds in the world are thunder clouds, which are sometimes more than 12 miles tall and can hold 450,000 tons of water. The world's rainiest place is Mount Waialae in Hawaii, where it rains 360 days a year. Tornado Alley in Kansas has more than 1,000 tornadoes a year. England has more tornadoes per square mile each year than any other country.